How to buy Thingyam, the thing on moon. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token, it's increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now go and copy the token address and go and open your Phantom wallet. Now from here, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now here, enter how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will receive of that token. Just click here to select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information from here. Now after you click on swap, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you face any problem on the buy process, just go back to this page and here switch the slip hash and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the thing or the Thing token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.